What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. Today we're going to talk about milliliters versus ounces. So as you know, when I first started this channel, I didn't actually think to put milliliters and ounces together. I think of everything in ounces. I'm an American bartender. I think in ounces, so I put ounces. And I got a lot of people requesting the milliliters. So then I started putting milliliters, but when I put in the milliliters now, and when I started doing it, I actually based it off this jigger. Now this jigger, it estimates and kind of rounds up and down what the milliliters are, but I'm assuming that the actual liquid measurement is correct. The thing is that I use this in almost every single one of my videos, and so I thought that it would be the smartest thing to do would be to call out the milliliters on the side of this jigger. So for instance, we know that half an ounce is 14.8 something milliliters, right? Obviously, the makers of this jigger are not going to put that long number on this, so what they're going to do is round it. So they rounded it up to 15 milliliters. And then we also know that 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5. So this one rounded it to 20, and so on and so forth. So on this jigger, even though the liquid volume is correct on it, it is a rounded measurement of 15, 20, 30 for 1 ounce, 45 for 1.5 ounces, 60 for 2 ounces, and 75 for 2.5 ounces. My question to you is this: would you guys rather I keep it with the rounded measurements as seen on this jigger, or would you rather I put the full milliliter measurement on there? So 22.5 and so on and so forth. Because as a result, you know, I've been doing 0.25 ounces, so 1/4 of an ounce, I've been doing that as 5 milliliters, which is what it is here. But honestly, it's closer to 7.5 milliliters. Anyway, I just got a comment by my #1 fan in England, Lee Clark, today, saying that he would rather that I had, so I'm just going to take a consensus. He would rather that I do the actual milliliter measurement, despite what it says on the jigger. I am going to ask you guys and put it to a vote. You guys comment below and tell me which you would want, and we will do what you ask, because we really like to cater that to the people who really want to see the milliliters on here. All right, see you next time and on the next tutorial.